This is bubble bath time for Tweet, and Poppy's gonna give Tweet a bubble bath. And here's the bubbles.
Ooh, bubbles. Ooh, I'm scared. I see bubbles everywhere. I'm scared.
Yeah, Tweet's enjoying bubble bath
bubbles.
time.
Just need the bubbles. It's nice and warm. Ooh, nice.
He's down there, and it actually can go. I can zoom up.
Yeah, that's good the way you have it.
Okay. Oh, there. Okay, now you can really see the Tweet.
Oh wow, it's comfy in here. Yeah, Poppy's hand holding me anyway. I'm not scared. Yeah, you're good, Tweety. I know your butt getting cleaned underneath there. Under the wings too? Okay, I do the wings. You want to do the wings. The other one? Yeah. Don't be scared. Hey, you're not a doggy. Don't be scared. Oh, let me clean underneath there.
Getting the butt.
Yeah, cause that butt get raunchy. Okay, let's do a rinse. Yeah, it's not. Don't want it too hot. Don't want it too cold. Just a little bit. Yeah, that's it.
Tweet, looking at Poppy.
Don't be scared.
You say, wow.
Feel good? And try not to get your head wet. Don't be scared. There, underneath the wing. Yeah. Woo. They even smell pretty in here. They don't smell like no wet dog. Open the drain too.
Yeah.
It's too strong, okay. Ooh, too hot. Yeah. Ooh, just right. Just right. I know you like it like that.
The water's coming out soft.
Yeah, it's
like
nice.
Like a waterfall.
Yeah, I think he came out of the water because he did some fluid business in the water.
Ah.
That's why he didn't want to stay in it.
Ah.
He liked it before, but I felt something in the water. I'm going to do another blue bath. Real quick. It's going to be nice and warm. There you go. Just right, Tweety. Yeah, come on. You can go in there. Yeah, it's perfect.
Tweet has to be on the hand.
Yeah, he feels safe on the hand.
Yeah, in order to get a bubble bath.
Yeah, you don't like. Otherwise, you don't feel safe. Let me get top of your head a little bit. The crusty head there. Don't be scared. I know you don't like that. You don't like it to get in your eyes.
But it's mostly water. It's not that much bubbles in there.
No soap in it.
There's hardly any soap.
It's a little soap, but that's not bad.
Yeah, a little soap, but not much.
Okay, rinse the butt. Feel like a birdie here. That's what birdies do, right, Tweety? Just splash in the water. I see them outside. That's what they do. Why don't you do it a little bit? Help me out. Not like that. Supposed to splash in the water. Come on. Alright. You said that's enough. That's enough. Okay. I got you. I got you, boy. Don't be scared. Your little wing here is a little yellow. Yeah, you put some cod liver oil on it. That's when it's a little yellow.
Okay.
And then put your hand on my finger. Yeah, there you go. Put your hand on my finger. Yeah. Alright. A little bit more rinse on the top of the head. Because you can't ever clean it up there yourself. Okay.
Okay. So let me stop now?
Alright, let me put him in a towel.
Okay.
Put him in a towel. Which I don't have. I can use this one for now. Okay, I'm gonna get the towel, big towel there.
Okay. I'm